Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB. This car is a legendary supercar that combines stunning design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. As we take a walk around the car, you'll notice the sleek and aggressive design. The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB's exterior is inspired by Ferrari's Futuro design language, which features a unique blend of sharp lines, curved surfaces, and aerodynamic accents. The car's proportions are also quite striking, with a long hood and short rear deck that give it a powerful and dynamic stance. Now, let's take a look at the car's features. The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB comes with a range of premium features, including a 10.25-inch high-resolution display, a JBL surround sound system, and a range of advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. But what really sets the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB apart is its performance. This car is powered by a 3.0-litre twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 820 horsepower and 546 pound-feet of torque. The car's acceleration is incredibly quick, with the ability to go from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds. In terms of handling, the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB is a dream to drive. The car features a range of advanced suspension components, including a double wishbone front suspension and a multi-link rear suspension. The car also features a range of advanced driving modes, including a sport mode and a track mode, that allow you to tailor the car's performance to your driving style. The interior of the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB is also quite impressive, with a range of premium materials and advanced features like a 10.25-inch high-resolution display and a range of advanced safety features. So, how much will this car set you back? The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB starts at around $320,000 for the base model, with the top-of-the-line model starting at around $400,000. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB. This car is a true supercar legend, with its sleek design, impressive performance, and competitive pricing. If you're in the market for a new supercar, the 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.